Hello everyone, my name is Melanie Guajardo and this is my industry research presentation. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the three artists I chose were Melton Glazer, Aaron Draplin, and Paul Rand. And they're all lined up, so you can go ahead and get an idea and put a face to a name. Okay. So I started off with Milton Glaser. He was born on June 26, 1929 in the Bronx, New York, and he actually just finished passing away last year on his birthday, so June 26, 2020. His career, he was a graphic designer. He did co-found Pushpin Studios in 1954. He founded New York Magazine alongside Clay Felker in 1968. He established Milton Inc. in 1974. And yeah, there's more, but I didn't want to list, everything. Um, his education, he attended High School of Music and Art and graduated from Cooper Union in 1951, which I heard is one of the best schools in New York to attend. Um, he later received a Fulbright scholarship to the Academy of Fine Arts in Italy and studied alongside Giorgi Morandi. One of the very things that like wowed me was so he was actually the first graphic designer to receive the National Medal of the Arts Award, which I think is pretty amazing. So let's go ahead and jump into his work. So this is three pieces of his work. So first we're gonna start with Give Earth a Chance. So he actually created that one in 1970, and he what he tried to achieve by making this picture was bringing different people together to make the country, and not just the country but you know the environment healthier, and it started a movement, so I think that's pretty cool. The I Love New York one, so the upper right one, the one that's like sketched in like red crayon, that was the original one. So he actually had it crumbled in the back of his pocket when he presented it to people. He sketched it in a cab. And pretty much the story behind that one is that at one point New York was at a very low point where nobody was visiting anything. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, visiting anything, visiting the city, so the city was so close to going bankrupt. And so they were trying to figure out how to get people to start coming to New York City. Ford did not want to give them any money. So this was pretty much the design that got people to want to come to New York. Um, the lower one, the Great Illustrators of Our Time, that one caught my attention a lot because it's just I don't know, the eyes and the hands and their sign language and all that. I couldn't really find the story behind that one, but I it really caught my attention. I really liked it. So here's the next slide. Trying to like show like a better picture because I know they're like a little smaller in the last slide. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about Paul Rand. So Paul Rand was actually born on August 15th, 1914 in Brooklyn, New York, and he passed away on November 26th, 1996. So his career was a graphic designer and art director. He attended the New School for Design, the Art Students League, and Yale University, where he received his degree. He is mainly known for his logos designs for corporates such as ABC, Ford, and Westinghouse, and many more, but these were the ones that, I actually knew about. Let's go ahead and see some logos. So here are the ones I just talked about right now. Westinghouse, ABC, Ford, and I figured I'd choose a logo that many people are familiar with, to like, wow, like, wow, like we've seen these logos and we never knew who they belonged to. So pretty much all he did was not all he did because I don't want to make it sound like wow, like that's all he did, whatever. No, but was he was very well known for creating logos for bigger corporations, which really sparked everyone. So last we have Aaron Draplin. He was born on October 15th, 1973 in Michigan, Detroit. His career was a graphic designer, and I think I'm not sure he had something else. So his education, he graduated from Northwestern Michigan College with an associate's degree in 1993, and then about 5 years later, he finished his design degree in 2000 from Minneapolis College of Art Design and Design Award. I'm sorry, and Design. Um, in 2000, he actually won Art Director of the Year. Pretty cool. He's best known for his design and logos as well, just like Paul. He's worked with companies such as Target and Nike, and here's some things he's designed. Bernie, he's worked with Bernie, which I thought was super cute. The Air Max 360, if any of y'all are wearing some right now, just know he designed that logo. Let's see. The Bernie one is called Red, White, Blue, and Bernie. And then the Space Shuttle one, which I really enjoyed, it's called Space Shuttle Redesign 2010. I looked up the story behind that one because I have always seen it around, and he I'm not sure if it's a show or something, but he kept talking about how when they canceled it or when they ended it that it broke his heart. So he ended up this isn't the only like design. He has multiple of them in different colors and he's in love with them. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching. These are their websites. I got all their information, all their work, off of there. They everything's on there if y'all want to go and visit. Thank you.